everyone, I'm Allie with PotomacBeads. In this Better Beader episode, we are going to chat about a hot topic here in the bead realm. What is happening with Swarovski crystal and what is the future of crystals in beading, as well as what avenues is the company going to take? There's a lot of information that's still up in the air, but I wanted to share with you what has been known, what has been speculated, and what we've done in order to get ready for this exit of some of the Swarovski products from the market. Over the last 125 years, the Swarovski company has expanded. Originally just a leaded glass crystal company, they've expanded into a huge worldwide market, going from lighting and chandeliers to optics and binoculars, museum art, high-end jewelry, craft jewelry, road safety supplies, and going exactly into retail stores and direct to consumers. There's a tiered set of distribution between stores and suppliers, and there's all kinds of confusion that has led to Swarovski looking at the viability of the company. Now, Swarovski, while they have expanded greatly, have also maybe spread themselves a little thin. This was reported in one of the newspaper articles that was published saying basically what's happening to Swarovski. Swarovski announced in August of 2020 that they were going to be reorganizing the Swarovski company. Of course, that sent all kinds of speculation as to what product lines they were getting rid of, what product lines they're keeping. They really want to stay a viable company, and they don't want to have all of these things that maybe aren't the most cost effective in their network. They're looking to decrease some of the things that they do in order to increase their profitability to be able to survive as a company. While these organizations or these reorganizations are necessary, they are going to mean changes to us in the bead world. There's still a ton of speculation what that means, but Swarovski has made it known that they're going to be focusing more on their high-end products and their high-end markets. Unfortunately for us beaders, that means that most likely we will see a reduction in Swarovski elements, Swarovski beads, Swarovski colors, and some of those direct-to-consumer items. Obviously, this past year has been really hard in the retail market as well, and Swarovski's retail shops are greatly suffering. This is another reason for them to step back and even look further into how they're going to be restructuring and reorganizing their business. Because we've known for years that Swarovski has expanded greatly, here at PotomacBeads, we really haven't gotten much into Swarovski as far as their jewelry craft line, their elements, their beads, their rivolis, their stones, etc. Instead, we've focused here at PotomacBeads on creating our own line of crystals, so we're not dependent on this mammoth company to provide us with just that one product. There are a lot of companies and businesses and crafters that are looking and saying, what next? Because there is so much speculation going on with Swarovski company and what different product lines, what manufacturers they're going to take the product away from, as well as what distributors are going to suffer from this. They are really kind of holding those secrets and those things tight. Once we find out that information, we will certainly pass it on to you, but we don't want to cause any more speculation on the topic that is currently unknown throughout the market. Another reason that we have invested so largely in crystals not only is that question of Swarovski's future and of other crystal manufacturers as well, but there is a need for new shapes and new designs. Yes, there's the classic, your emerald cut, your bicones, your round rivoli, but then there's also the desire to have shapes and sizes that were not provided or that were not created by Swarovski, like some of the trillion cuts as well as the opal finishes, some of the different sizes that we've gotten of the rivolis and the chatons, as well as increasing the amount of crystals that we have in settings, which really opens up that crystal stone market to those that may not be as easily knowledgeable about how to set or use them in their bead weaving. So the only thing that we do know and know for sure is that there will be a reduction of Swarovski on the market as far as the bead and crafting realm. The details of that, I can't repeat enough, are still unknown. Both distributors and retails lack the knowledge from Swarovski to really make forward steps. Because of this, we really have relied on the opinions of those subscribers to the box, to our regular retail customers, and to our group members in our Facebook group for beads and jewelry making to let us know what things you love in the crystal realm that you want to make sure don't disappear. We've really expanded our colors, our shapes, our varieties, and our cuts based on your demand so that way you can continue to be creative, be inspired, and excel at your craft. Also, don't forget to comment below if you think about different beads, shapes, cuts, and stones that you're looking for as alternatives to those Swarovskis that you may not have access to anymore. Additionally, if you want to read the rest of Nathan's blog, go ahead and check out the links below to PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu. You can also check out from there the variety of crystals that we have as your alternative to those Swarovskis that may no longer be manufactured. While Swarovski is a wonderful company with an excellent product, we wish them luck as they do this reorganization so that way employees and staff members at Swarovski can stay, can expand their talents, and hopefully come back to the market with a bang, providing us with their quality products. As always, these Better Beader episodes are made to help get to you informed, to help give you ideas, and to help give you information to make you better at your craft. Like I said, make sure to check out below comments if people have more details, more questions we'll try to answer, but once again, it's a little bit unknown. Rest assured, here at Potomac Beads, we will continue to expand our crystal selection since it inspires so many people, including myself. Who doesn't like a little bling in their jewelry? Potomac here will make sure that you have it. As always, you can give a little thumbs up if you like the video, as well as subscribe so you don't miss anything from us here at Potomac Beads. Thanks so much for watching, and happy beading.